Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your ultimate guide to turning your house into a dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs. Today, we are heading into the arid landscapes to explore a housing trend that is taking the architectural world by storm: prefab desert homes. But what exactly does this mean? At its core, prefab desert home design refers to prefabricated houses structures where the main components are built in a climate-controlled factory environment and then transported to a desert site for final assembly. These designs are specifically engineered to harmonize with desert environments, utilizing materials and layouts that can withstand extreme temperature fluctuations, high winds, and intense UV exposure. It's not just about a house, it's about a smart, modular approach to creating a sanctuary in some of the most beautiful yet challenging terrains on Earth. Choosing a prefab design for a desert location offers a multitude of benefits that traditional stick-built homes often struggle to match. First and foremost is efficiency. Because the house is built in a factory, there is significantly less waste, and the construction timeline is cut by nearly half. In a desert environment where hauling materials to remote locations can be expensive and logistically difficult, prefab simplifies everything. Furthermore, these homes are often far more sustainable and energy efficient. They are built with precision sealing and high-performance insulation to keep the scorching heat out during the day and the warmth in during the cold desert nights. Many prefab models are also plug-and-play ready for solar energy and water reclamation systems, making off-grid living a luxury rather than a chore. To make your prefab desert home truly stand out, the exterior decoration must strike a balance between modern minimalism and the raw beauty of the natural landscape. Start with a palette of earth and sky tones. Think deep ochres, dusty sages, or cool charlatans that mirror the surrounding rocks and flora. Lighting is the next crucial element. Use warm LED wash lights to highlight the architectural lines of your prefab unit and create a dramatic silhouette against the night sky. For the ground cover, embrace xeriscaping by using local gravel, river rocks, and drought-resistant plants like agave or yucca to create texture without needing constant water. Adding a fire pit area with low-profile seating not only adds a functional social hub but also grounds the structure, making it feel like a permanent part of the ancient desert floor. The best styles for prefab desert homes usually fall under the umbrella of modernism or industrial minimalism. The desert modern style is a favorite, characterized by flat roof lines, massive floor-to-ceiling glass walls that blur the line between indoor and outdoor, and the use of natural wood accents to soften the metal or concrete structure. Another popular style is the steampunk industrial look, which uses weathered steel corten steel that develops a beautiful rust-colored patina over time, perfectly matching the desert sands. Some homeowners prefer the modular brutalist approach, focusing on heavy, blocky geometries and raw materials that feel sturdy and protective against the elements. Regardless of the style, the key is a less is more philosophy that allows the vast desert horizon to remain the main attraction. And now, let's inspire your dream build, and to show you exactly what this looks like, here are our top 10 best prefab desert home design ideas that showcase incredible innovation and style. One, the Adobe Evolution, a modern earth-toned sanctuary. This design takes the classic desert palette and elevates it with sharp, modern geometry. The multi-level structure features high-performance glass and a cantilevered roof that provides much-needed shade, while the surrounding rock garden seamlessly connects the home to the rugged terrain. The earthy tones of the facade blend perfectly, with the natural environment, creating a sophisticated yet harmonious dwelling. 2. The floating cedar cube, minimalist desert geometry. A stunning example of how wood and glass can thrive in the desert. This elevated prefab unit sits on a concrete base, protecting it from ground heat and critters, while the large glass panels offer an uninterrupted view of the purple twilight horizons. The warm cedar cladding contrasts beautifully with the stark landscape, providing a cozy and inviting appearance despite its minimalist form. 3. The Ruspatina Retreat, Corten Steel Elegance. This home features industrial steel siding that has naturally weathered to a deep orange-brown. The low-profile design and expansive outdoor patio make it the perfect spot for watching the sun dip below the mountains, proving that industrial materials can feel warm and organic. The concrete elements provide a solid foundation and blend with the rugged surroundings, offering a truly unique desert dwelling. 4. The Midnight Oasis, glass and steel at dusk. A masterpiece of nighttime architecture, this long horizontal prefab glows from within. The interior lighting casts a golden hue onto the desert brush, while the sleek metal roofline ensures the home remains cool and ventilated during the day. The panoramic windows provide breathtaking views of the twilight landscape, making it a perfect retreat for evening relaxation. 5. The solar-powered glass pavilion, high-tech sustainability. Designed for the eco-conscious, this prefab is topped with high-efficiency solar panels. The transparent walls allow the inhabitants to live within the landscape, while the flat roof overhang protects the interior from direct sunlight, keeping the living space naturally temperate. The expansive glass facades create an airy and open feel, inviting the desert's beauty indoors. 6. The elevated rock nest, industrial design in the boulders. Tucked among massive desert boulders, this home utilizes a steel grate deck and corrugated metal roofing. Its elevated position offers a 360-degree view of the Rocky Valley, making it feel like a modern lookout tower designed for relaxation. The robust materials and design allow it to seamlessly integrate into the rugged, natural rock formations. 7. The L-shaped Twilight Villa, indoor-outdoor flow. This white-walled prefab uses a classic L shape to create a private outdoor courtyard, with recessed lighting under the eaves and large sliding doors. The bedroom and living areas open directly onto a concrete patio, perfect for enjoying the cool evening air. The blend of modern design with intimate outdoor spaces makes it an ideal home for entertaining or peaceful solitude. 8. The Desert Monolith, long-form modular living. This ultra-long prefab structure stretches across the sand like a natural landform. Its dark gray exterior provides a sharp contrast to the light desert floor, while the cutout sections serve as shaded outdoor dining areas that capture the desert breeze. The minimalist lines and expansive form make a strong architectural statement against the vast desert backdrop. 9. The Fireside Lounge, prefab luxury with a view. Focusing on social living. This design features an expansive concrete terrace with a built-in fire pit and a rectangular swimming pool. The home itself is a minimalist backdrop to a lifestyle centered around outdoor entertainment and starlit swims. The strategic placement of the pool and patio maximizes views, making it an ideal spot for enjoying the desert sunsets. 10. The Geometric Light Box, contemporary night design. This home consists of two distinct modules connected by an open-air walkway. The use of X-bracing on the glass walls adds a touch of industrial chic, while the nearby lap pool reflects the desert sky, creating a tranquil and luxurious atmosphere. The interplay of light and shadow, especially at dusk, highlights the home's contemporary design and its relationship with the natural surroundings. Prefab desert homes are more than just a trend. They represent a smarter, faster, and more beautiful way to live in harmony with nature by combining factory precision with the raw, untamed spirit of the desert. These homes offer a unique lifestyle that celebrates both modern technology and ancient landscapes. Whether you are looking for a weekend getaway or a permanent off-grid sanctuary, the prefab world has something incredible to offer. If you enjoyed this tour of the most stunning desert prefabs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on desert living. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next video.